Hello again. Now, what we have is a completely different scenario now using a Flutter and Odoo as a backend. Again, Odoo is a complete backend platform to me, as I consider it as a full ERP that will ease your life in every single aspect. Now, the case that we have today is to conduct a challenge of building a mobile application that is e-commerce in its essence. It allows you to grab all the products and use all the standard features within Odoo, except I've done a few things that as a customized module. So I've built this module in Odoo backend. It's called Mobile Application Editions. So since I have the developer mode on, I've relied on getting a few things installed. Like, for example, there is a menu that's been added here, the adverts, the technical data that we have added a new model that is called advert.mobile. Now, this adds a new app here. So I'm using the community version if you don't see the design beautiful. And this will allow you to add a simple thing. Now, I have to work on the layout, of course, in terms of how to add it with the invisibility part and widgets and so on. Therefore, so as we said before, this will require a lot of customizations to be done upon. So, for example, if I add a main and it's published on mobile, and then I'm going to add a story. Now, I've built a story. I've done something that is really different here. I've added the feature of adding like a snapshot story at the beginning of the app that will show like news, alerts, and so on. So I've built a few things here over Canva, and I've downloaded it. I've used all the aspects that's been recommended to me by Canva itself. Now, if I go here and select, let's say, for example, the one that I've added, which is, I believe I haven't downloaded it yet. So let me download it. Until it downloads, let me carry on with explaining what I've done. So I've built something that is similar to Snapchat. It remains a page. There is no welcoming. I don't believe that people actually worry about welcoming pages anymore. That appears once and then you forget it. They require about the user experience more. So I'll build this design. I can assign it where location I have it to be. Where, for example, here I'm going to assign it to the welcome page, and then I'm going to attach it to this product. So whenever you click on it, it will show you, it will take you to this product. So once I save this, it will actually publish it on the website. Having said that, I've added another feature which is under the settings. When you go to the ris.company, which is the company's information or details, you will find a new text field that tells you about the company. And I've made those appear actually without the developer mode. I've added the rest of the information here. And if you go to the website, and then e-commerce categories, and then you click on the category itself, I made this actually happen on Odoo 16 or 17. It actually operates. Now, let's dive into the app. Now, here's the app itself. Let me do a hot refresh. Or, make it back here. I believe I have to close the app first. So let me close it and then reopen it. So, this is a small animation since we're talking about a bodybuilding app. So as you can see, you have like the Snapchat thing. It goes left and right, and then you have the ability to go to view the products. Again, the loading thing that needs to be worked on. That's why I've had the share preferences and so on. And it pulls all the products from Odoo itself. It's similar to the website. So it pulls the product from the product, the template with all its variants and so on. It's a challenging app, to be honest, since a lot of features needs to be added. And the slider, now I've done something that is really stupid. I've uploaded a GIF image that is this image. This is a GIF, actually. I've made it over Canva. It was a video, and then I converted it from an MP4 to a GIF. And once I've converted that, I did not actually compress the quality, which made it really huge to load. And then you have all of this and that, and we'll take you to each product alone. And then you've got the top categories and so on, and in each product. So if you click on the protein, for example, it will populate all the protein products here. If you go and select the protein itself, it will show you the protein products. So far, the system operates nicely. And if you go to About Us, it will generate automatically all the products, all the informations actually that is included in the result company, as well as the social media. Mind the social media buttons, this app was built within 2 days, so I'm not expecting everything to have a final touch. So here, this logo as well is pulled from the website, from Odoo itself, actually. Now, having said that, I've followed the same procedure where I've had Odoo service here. I'm using Odoo RPC, and I'm collecting all the main data and creating and so on. I'm currently in the process of building the cart itself. And if you go to the PubSec YAML, you'll find all the dependencies that I've added here. Now, the purpose of this mobile app is to serve the enterprise version and the community version that is self-hosted, not the SaaS version. And it should be a plug and play. I'm trying to make it like once you have the API keys generated from Odoo itself, or just simply add the basic information which is defined here within the main.dart, and then you'll be able to actually do whatever resources you want to achieve. And that's the app in a glance. And hopefully we'll see more improvement in the second video. Have a good day.